If you look out into your garden, you'll often see ladybugs, or at least you hope so. I just posted a video about how ladybugs are, gardener's best friend, and coming out to my pumpkins here. Let me see if I can show you. There's one right there, doing great work. And it got me to thinking, I wonder, are all ladybugs red? And the answer is no. Surprisingly, ladybugs, or ladybirds as they're called in some places, come in lots of different colors. What are the top 6 colors a ladybug can be, if not red? First, some ladybugs are primarily black. Did you know there are over 5,000 species of ladybugs? No wonder there's variety in their color patterns. Here is the pink ladybug, common in the Midwestern and Southern states famous for growing, such as Missouri. Pink ladybugs love to live in field crops like corn, cotton, and alfalfa. The bright colors of lady beetles are quite interesting and unusual in nature. Usually animals fit in with their habitat. Think of a fox or a snake and how important their ability to camouflage is. Lady beetles, on the other hand, are often bright colors, and here are some bright orange ones common throughout North America and Europe. The bright colors of lady beetles are warning triggers for potential predators, letting predators know they are not tasty. Additionally, ladybugs can secrete a foul-smelling odor to further discourage attack. These gray ladybugs were all observed in the San Francisco Bay Area and are found elsewhere in the US. If you've seen a ladybug that isn't red or orange, please post in the comments where you noticed it. Yellow ladybugs are found throughout Europe and Asia. And lastly, blue ladybugs. These are noticeably absent in most of the world. However, they are found in the New Zealand-Australian region as well as Indonesia. Alright, well, if you did enjoy, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.